Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit new, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, you need to scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you should have the about option. Tap on it. Now scroll down, and after the version or below the version, you should have the serial number right here. And once you're done, simply press the side button to go back to the watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.